Well, welcome back, everyone. We have some exciting projects that Lima is offering for the public, and so we've invited Kirk Niemeyer in for the City of Lima. Kirk, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Well, my pleasure. Let's start with something that's I love to hear about, the Lima Aquatic Park construction. Tell us all about that.
Well, we actually started, our contractor started work end of February, and of course they've made great progress. Obviously the wet weather with the work we're doing right now, digging holes for the pool, isn't necessarily what we want, but they continue to chip away at it. They actually have the buttress walls going in now. So for the activity pool, the 8-lane pool, that has been there's putting in those buttress walls and then the steel walls and concrete. A lot of the underground piping. That piping is very important to the project, that we don't have any leaks. That was one issue towards the end of Schoonover's life that we dealt with daily, was trying to fix the leaks. So moving along, great progress, and you're going to see a lot of action there this summer.
Yeah, I'm excited about that. That's a huge project, just so
yeah.
All right, now also, what about the streetscaping on Central Avenue? Central Avenue has really come a long way. So
yeah, there's so much development going on and along Central Avenue. Our project starts at Elm Street and goes all the way to Wayne. So it's 4 or 5 blocks there that. You know, it's close to, we're hoping lower than higher, but just over a $4 million project. Its bid opens May 1st, so it's going to be probably a year and a half of construction. So we hope to get underway yet this year. Work that you'll see first would be drainage work. So that's, you know, we have to maintain traffic throughout the project, but yeah, it's a total streetscape project. Everything from building face to building face will be more or less renewed.
Okay.
And we really want to help the development that's going on there with the Central District, and you know, RTA's making improvements. Health Department, I understand they're considering some improvements to their building, and just every other business along there in the downtown.
Yeah, it looks amazing already, but I can't wait to see when it's finished. All right, so talking about Cable Road, a lot of talk about Cable Road. Let's talk about some of the safety improvements.
Well, we made application for safety funds through ODOT to you know, Cable Road's at the point where we need to do something. So it needs to be resurfaced. It needs new curbs. We have a force main that runs up the center that is broken many times. So to kick that whole thing off, we looked for available funding. We were able to apply for safety funds. So we made several applications, and we were finally able to get ODOT's interest to focus in on the section between Latham and the railroad, the CF&E. So we made a proposal. We shared that both at a stakeholder and public meeting as well as city council. So we're receiving feedback on that, the proposal, you know, until April 21st. So we encourage folks to go to the City of Lima's homepage. Yep. Bottom left-hand corner, there's a link there. So it leads you to the where you can make comments, look at the project, what you'd like, what you don't like. Overall, we're trying to reduce crashes and improve pedestrian safety, and still try to maintain capacity and keep things flowing and efficient.
Well, Kirk, you guys are doing a wonderful job, I have to say. So keep up the good work.
All right, thank you.
All right, well, don't go away, because medical news is coming up next.